Hi Hornets, happy Friday. I'm here in today's morning meeting to talk to you about the mask mandate updates from DSST. As many of you know from the email you and your families received yesterday, DSST will be following the guidance of the Denver Department of Public Health and DPS and lifting our existing mask mandate at the end of the day on Friday, February 25th. Masks will continue to be strongly recommended for all students, staff, and visitors on all of our campuses. We are lifting the existing mask requirement now because of high rates of immunity and low rates of severe cases. Please know, though, that things can change and that DPS and DSST may require masks in the future should there be a new variant or if the health conditions change and masks are warranted again. What this means for you. Masks will continue to be worn through the end of final exams, Friday, 2/25. So all of next week, you must continue to wear your mask and wear it properly. When we return at the start of trimester 3, masks are recommended but not required. That will be Wednesday, March 2nd. There are still some limits around student gatherings like morning meetings, and we'll continue to update those as they change. As we make this big shift, we really want to take a minute to talk about living our values. When we come back on March 2nd at the start of trimester 3, some people will be wearing masks still. Some people will not be wearing masks. Both of these things are okay. As I think about our community, I think one of the things that makes it truly special is because it is diverse and inclusive. As we go through this transition, it is incredibly important that we live the value of respect for individuals in our community and the individual choices they make. Some people might be immunocompromised. Some people might have family members at risk. Some people might feel more comfortable with a mask or more comfortable without a mask. Right? It is none of your business why someone is choosing to wear a mask or to not wear a mask, but it is your business to treat everyone with respect regardless of what they choose. I am fully convinced that our community will continue to be able to live the value of respect around the individual choices our community members are making around masks. As we move to masks being optional, it's important that we're also thinking about how to continue to keep our community and ourselves safe. One thing that you can do is get vaccinated. We've held a number of vaccine clinics already at CGHS, and a number of students and staff have participated. We have 2 additional vaccine clinics coming up, and we'll share information about how you can get vaccinated on 2/25 or March 4th, both Fridays, if you are interested. Continue to get tested regularly. We will have rapid tests available at the front office, and if your family is interested in getting additional rapid tests to bring home, they can call the school. As just like before, you should continue to stay home if you are feeling sick or if you test positive for COVID. General health and safety practices still remain. Wash your hands and use hand sanitizer regularly. Wipe down desks or places that you touch a lot. Make sure you are keeping yourself safe and clean as you go through the day. Eat lunch outside when the weather is nice. And then lastly and importantly, talk with your family. This is a really important decision that affects more than just you. As you decide whether or not you're going to be wearing a mask at school, make sure you're discussing this decision with your family so that you can make the choice that is best for you and the people who are closest to you. Again, I am incredibly grateful to be a part of a community that respects others individually, and I think that is going to be our strength as we go through this process of masks no longer being required. Again, we continue to strongly recommend masks to keep yourself and our community safe, but wanted to give you this very important update. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday. It is our second to last day before final exams, and so I'm excited to see you working hard in classes and preparing for Tri-2 finals. Happy Friday, Hornets.